Which is the national bird of India? A. Peacock. B. Parrot. C. Sparrow. D. Eagle. The correct answer is option A. Peacock. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Jasmine. D. Lily. The correct answer is option B. Lotus. What is the national currency of India? A. Dollar. B. Rupee. C. Pound. D. Yen. The correct answer is option B. Rupee. Which animal is the national animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Tiger. D. Leopard. The correct answer is option C. Tiger. The national fruit of India is A. Banana. B. Mango. C. Apple. D. Orange. The correct answer is option B. Mango. Which is the national river of India? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. The correct answer option A. Ganga. Who designed the Indian national flag? A. Pingali Venkaiah. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Pingali Venkaiah. Which is the national emblem of India? A. Ashoka Chakra. B. Sarnath Lion Capital. C. Chakra and Bull. D. Tricolor flag. The correct answer is option B. Sarnath Lion Capital. Which is the national heritage animal of India? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Lion. D. Camel. The correct answer is option B. Elephant. What is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Dolphin. B. Crocodile. C. Turtle. D. Fish. The correct answer is option A. Dolphin. Which is the national tree of India? A. Neem. B. Banyan. C. Peepal. D. Coconut. The correct answer is option B. Banyan. Which is the national calendar of India? A. Vikram Samvat. B. Gregorian. C. Saka calendar. D. Hijri calendar. The correct answer is option C. Saka calendar. What is the national motto of India? A. Jai Hind. B. Satyamev Jayate. C. Vande Mataram. D. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The correct answer is option B. Satyamev Jayate. Which is the national reptile of India? A. Crocodile. B. King cobra. C. Python. D. Monitor lizard. The correct answer is option B. King cobra. Which is the national microbe of India? A. Lactobacillus. B. Penicillium. C. Streptococcus. D. Rhizobium. The correct answer is option A, Lactobacillus. Which dance is recognized as India's national dance? A. Bharatanatyam, B. Kathak, C. Odissi, D. Kathakali. The correct answer is option A, Bharatanatyam. Which fruit is also called the king of fruits in India? A. Apple, B. Mango, C. Banana, D. Guava. The correct answer is option B, mango. Which day is celebrated as National Waters Day in India? A. 25th January, B. 26th January, C. 15th August, D. 2nd October. The correct answer is option A, 25th January. Which day is celebrated as National Youth Day in India? A. 23rd January, B. 12th January, C. 14th November, D. 5th September. The correct answer is option B, 12th January. Which day is observed as National Science Day? A. 28th February, B. 5th June, C. 11th May, D. 15th October. The correct answer is option A, 28th February. Which is the National Museum of India? A. Indian Museum, Kolkata, B. Salar Jung Museum, C. National Museum, New Delhi, D. Victoria Memorial. The correct answer is option C, National Museum, New Delhi. Which national park is known as the first national park of India? A. Gir National Park, B. Jim Corbett National Park, C. Kaziranga National Park, D. Ranthambore National Park. The correct answer is option B, Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the largest national highway in India? 2025, A. NH27, B. NH44, C. NH48, D. NH19. The correct answer is option B, NH44. Which national award is India's highest civilian award? A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Padma Vibhushan, D. Bharat Ratna. The correct answer is option D, Bharat Ratna.